So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, this is what we are going to design. Yes, we are going to use our smartphone to design this beautiful flyer you are seeing on your screen. Yes, everything is going to be a smartphone. Everything, trust me, everything is going to be using a smartphone. And guys, remember, after the tutorials, or I'll leave a link in the description for you to go and download the resources file and the PLP file again. With the PLP file, you can edit them and put your own details, informations over there and use it for free. And then again, with the help of the resources, you can create your own. And when you are done, send it to me in my DM and let's discuss it. So quickly, I'll go to this side and go and change my background, or let me just clear everything from scratch and then go here, go and change my background. So I set the background here to be 5 and then click OK and set here to be 6. Okay, then click on OK perfectly, and I have this. So quickly, let me delete this one and go to this and set my background. So I've worked thoroughly on the background. So the background is set. The background is set. Now, what's left is what? The details such as the text and then image. Yes, just adding text and image. So I'll go to the text side and go and add the text. So first of all, I'll add what? The name of church. So I said a miracle worship center. Okay, Miracle Worship Center. Good. Then click on it. Okay. Then it will check it. And then go and change the font. Yes, go and change the font. Go and change the font. You can use this, or you can use this, or you can use any of the fonts. Yes, you can use any of the font. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using this font. Yeah, I'm using Roboto. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using Roboto font. So push it up and then go and center it. Go and center it. Make sure it's at the center, and you can even scale, or you can just stretch it this way. You can stretch it this way a bit, and then if it's okay, you still center it again. You still center it again, because the moment you stretch it, it distorts. Then you can you can lock it. Yes, please always don't forget to lock it, because if you don't lock it, you touch something and then another thing is touched. Okay, so click on the text again and then write your present. Okay, present. Yes, so present, then click on OK and change all to caps. Change all to caps. I think that is what I did. So center it again, and you can reduce the text size. You can reduce the text size if it's okay for you. Then that one too, let's go and change the font. Let's go and change the font, and preferably you can use this. Yes, you can use this, and again stretch it, stretch it to something like 50 is not bad. 50 is not bad. And again, you center it. Always make sure you center it. Yes, you center it. And when you finish centering it, you lock it. Present, then we are going to write the main details, which is what? 7 days. So my seven days. Yes, my 7 days. Sorry, let me add the S to it. Let me add the S to it, and then go and write all caps. 7 days. Then we are going to change the font. We are going to change the font to the original font I used. And what is the font I see here? Yes, Old Atmosphere. Old Atmosphere. So that is the font I use. So scale it up this way. Scale it up this way. And then you can lock it. Or sorry, let's center it first. Let's center it first. So you center it and then you lock it. Thank you. Thank you. Then you can copy it. Copy it. 7 days. Then edit. Fasting. So fasting, good. So suggested word has come, fasting, then put it here. Then again, you lock that one, and then you copy it, and then type your prayers, edit, and then type your prayers. So you type your prayers, suggested game. So click on OK, and then click on all caps, and then all caps is set. Perfect. And that one too, you can center it. Not you can, you must center it. Yes, it's a must center. Let's go and pick the fasting, and then that one to center it. Yes, you should make sure that everything is centered. In so doing, you are telling whoever is receiving your work that you know what you are doing perfectly. You know what you are doing perfectly. And then again, the only information left is what? The images. So I'll go here and go and pick my images. So where is this? I'll bring this one here and then flip it this way and put it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. So let me put it here and then I will lock it. Yes, guys, always don't forget to lock them. Then I'll go there again and go and select my second image. Yes, which is this one. Then I'll click it this way and then bring it here. Yes, so bring it here. So let me bring my guides. Good. So the ruler, this is here. And the second image, let me unlock the second image and lock the first image. Then I can bring this one here. Yes, I can bring this one here. Just position it well. Let me reduce the size a bit and then position it here. Perfect, 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 perfect. And then again, lock it. Sorry, lock both of them. And then you can write the names, time, and then the location. Okay. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to do that. So let me just reposition this side a bit. Yes, let me position this side a bit and then I am good to go. I am good to go. Now again, I'll go to here and go and pick the shape and then write my details on it. With the shape, we picked what? The shape we picked a stroke, a color. Sorry, I said a stroke, a gradient color. So go to the colors, enable it, and then go to the gradient and set up your beautiful gradient. And then you have to add the details on the line, the details such as the date, time, and so on and so forth. So edit it and then go and add your date, time. So maybe the date is maybe 10th, sorry, 10th January 2025. And then I'll go here, go there, and then go and click this side, sorry, this side, and then maybe at 10 a.m. each day. Good, so that is it. And then let me set all caps and set it this way. Then I'll position it this side. Okay, so let me position it and then let me go and change the text size. Yes, the text size is big, that's why you are not seeing it. And I think maybe let me leave it at 35 and see. And I think 35 too is too big, so I think 30 or this is okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me center it. Good, it has been centered. Good. And then what again left? I think their names. Yes, you can set their names. So I'll go there again and then go and edit and then type width. So width. Good. Then the width, I use a font called Taken by Vultures. So go to the font area and go and search for Taken by Vultures. If you don't have it, I've shared my font with people. So if you don't have it, then it means you haven't downloaded the font pack I shared. If you download the font pack I shared, you will definitely have this font. Yes, you definitely have this font. So I'll go to the padding and set here and set here. Perfect. And make sure that all the details I want will come up. Yes, so I'll go here again and copy it and then edit and write the name. So the name is Reverend Timothy. Sorry, Timothy, maybe Nyakon. Nyarko. That is it. So for the purpose of tutorial, that is why I am using this name. Then we go and change the font again to that of this. Where are you? Where are you? Good. So this is it. And then let me reduce the size drastically. Yes, let me reduce the size drastically. I don't want it to be too big. Yes, I don't want it to be too big. Perfect. I don't want it to be too big. I don't want it to be too big. I think with the width, I need to select the width. Okay, and then select the width and then go and change the color. Yes, you need to change the color of the width. Okay, so do you prefer a whole color or let's prefer this one? I think this is okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. Then let me copy the width again. Copy the width and then you bring it down here because it's two image you are seeing over there. So you copy it and then lock it and then copy the second name and then you can also position it at that side. So after positioning it at that side, then you can edit it. So go to edit and then write the name. Maybe Samuel. Maybe Reverend Samuel Danso or something. Yeah. Yes, you can just use any name. You can just use any name. Yeah, you can just use any name at all, provided it's okay for you. Yes, provided it's okay for you. Then I think that is all. That is all. That is all. You can add your date, time. So don't worry, I've added the date, time. You can also add venue and other thing. That's why I'm saying that at the end of the tutorial, I'm going to share the PLP file. Let me go and show it to you. Sorry, I need to save it first. So meaning I have to save the image. I have to save it. And then you know how to save as Ultra. Yes, always save as Ultra. So please, this is the design, okay? This is the design. I'm going to share the PLP file with you. So this is all the design. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Yes, comment for more. If you don't comment, I may not know if you need more of these flyers. But the moment you start commenting and be requesting for it, I'll be able to design a lot of it for you. So please, then let's save the project. Let's save the project. The moment you finish designing, you need to save it into your phone gallery. So go here and then go and save it. You have opportunity to save it as a project or save it into your image or your folder. Then quickly, if you want to save it, go here. You know how to save already. So save it into your folder. Save it into your folder and click on save and boom. Yeah, you are good to go. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share. I love you. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, bye for now.